What if I told you that reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is no longer impossible? In 2026, two simple strategies can help you reach 10,000, even 30,000 subscribers. For most beginners, these two requirements feel like a ghost challenge. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. The hardest wall standing between you and YouTube monetization. The first secret: YouTube Shorts. Short videos can explode your channel faster than anything else. One viral short video can bring thousands of subscribers in days. Some creators gain 10,000 to 15,000 subscribers from a single viral video. That's the power of short-form content. The secret is not just posting shorts. The secret is consistency. Post daily, study viral shorts, improve every video. But there's one problem. Shorts don't count toward your 4,000 watch hours. So how do you solve that? The answer is live streaming. Live streams are one of the fastest ways to gain watch hours, because viewers stay longer, sometimes for hours. You can go live while playing games, teaching something, cooking, answering questions, or simply talking with your audience. Combine both strategies: shorts to gain subscribers, live streams to gain watch hours, and suddenly, the impossible becomes possible. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your channel could reach thousands of subscribers faster than you imagine.
Subscribe for more secrets about YouTube growth.